start with the day's biggest story, the biggest talking point. The Prime Minister, remember, is in Varanasi. PM Modi will file his nomination today from Varanasi. The Prime Minister last evening, held a massive roadshow in Varanasi. The Prime Minister was accompanied by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and also offered prayers at Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Today, the Prime Minister may offer prayers once again at the Dhatashwamedh Ghat on the banks of river Ganga at around 9 a.m. He will then take a cruise trip to Namo Ghat. From there, the Prime Minister will proceed to the Kal Bhairav Temple. This is expected to take place at around 10:15 a.m. The Prime Minister will then head to the collectorate around 11:30 a.m. to file his nomination. Following the nomination, he will hold a meeting with the party workers at the Rudraksh Convention Center. Massive show of strength is being planned by the Bharatiya Janata Party, as the Prime Minister will be accompanied by 12 NDA state chief ministers, top ministers of his cabinet, CMs of NDA allies, chiefs of NDA allies will also be in attendance. So it's going to be all of NDA accompanying the Prime Minister as he will be filing his nominations close to 11:30 a.m. Yesterday evening as well, we saw that massive roadshow. It was nothing short of a celebration in Varanasi, and today he will be filing his nominations from Varanasi. Now remember, the Prime Minister left his home state of Gujarat for Varanasi in 2014. He marks this 10-long journey with this mega roadshow, and today is that big day when he files his nomination. We've been tracking the latest, also getting you the ground pulse on what the mood on the ground is looking like this morning. Take a look.
We are at the famous Kal Bhairav Temple of Varanasi, and this is a very holy temple where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be coming before he files his nomination from Varanasi. Kal Bhairav was appointed as the Kotwal of Varanasi by Baba Kashi Vishwanath, and this has been the long-standing belief here that a darshan at the Kal Bhairav Temple is very much required before you come to Varanasi, before you go to the other temples here. We are inside the Kal Bhairav Temple now with the main pujari of Kal Bhairav Temple. तो Kal Bhairav मंदिर की क्या खासियत है?
कलयुग में बाबा काल भैरव प्रत्यक्ष रूप से सारे कार्य को करने में सक्षम रहते हैं, और इस कलयुग में इनका बड़ा भारी महात्मा है। और काशी के तो ये दंडाधिकारी हैं, न्याय करना इनका कार्य है। तो इस बार प्रधानमंत्री जी आ रहे, तो हम काल भैरव में उनके लिए विशेष पूजा का आयोजन किए हैं, जिसमें उनकी नज़र उतारा जाएगा ताकि उनको किसी भी प्रकार की विरोधी शक्तियों का कोई प्रभाव उनके ऊपर न पड़े और वो अपने कार्य में अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करें। ये आशीर्वाद है हम लोगों का, और बाबा काल भैरव उनकी सारी मनोकामना पूर्ण करें। उनकी मनोकामना, हम देखिए, हम लोग तो उनके परिवार हैं, वो हमारे परिवार हैं, हम लोग मोदी जी के परिवार हैं। तो बाबा ऐसा करे कि वो आगे जो भी देश के लिए सोचे हैं और देश के लिए सच्चे निष्ठा भाव से कार्य कर रहे हैं, ये चुनाव भी उनके लिए 400 पार करें और ये सारे कार्य करें। बाबा उनको ये सारी शक्तियाँ प्रदान करें
जी। और काल भैरव मंदिर प्रधानमंत्री पिछली बार भी आए थे 2019 में, जब नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने से पहले।
ये काशी की परंपरा रही है कि जो भी यहाँ पे सांसद, विधायक या हमारे अधिकारीगण आते हैं तो बाबा काल भैरव का आशीर्वाद लेने के बाद ही कार्य करते हैं। तो कल नामांकन के पहले बाबा काल भैरव का आशीर्वाद लेंगे, वो अपनी सारी कामना के सहित कि सारे कार्य वो चुनाव को अच्छे से बाबा संपन्न कराएं और सब कुछ सही से शांति ढंग से पूर्ण हो।
Baba Vishwanath had appointed as the Kotwal of Varanasi, who has the right to give punishment in Varanasi. But Prime Minister Modi will be coming here to seek his blessings before he files his nomination from Banaras.
Let me quickly go across to my colleagues joining us live with the latest. We have Aman live with us. We also have with us Siddhant. Siddhant, before I come to you for the kind of preparations that are being witnessed in the whole of Varanasi, Aman, to you first. You've been speaking to a host of people in Varanasi. We saw the mega roadshow yesterday evening, which was carried out. And once again, we see the NDA show of strength today when the Prime Minister goes to file his nominations. But before that, there's a lot of things lined up for the Prime Minister. If you can quickly recap it for our viewers this morning.
See, I am at the Dashwamedh Ghat. This is the road, and you can see the Kashi Vishwanath temple gate behind me. This is the road that leads to the Dashwamedh Ghat, and the Prime Minister is expected here around 9 a.m. The Prime Minister will be coming to the Dashwamedh Ghat. Maybe pray at the Ganga river today, maybe have a dip there. And today is also Ganga Saptami. It's a very auspicious day, and it's considered auspicious if you take a dip in the Ganga today, and that is why the Prime Minister, before filing his nomination, will be coming here at the Dashwamedh Ghat. He also may take a cruise till the Namo Ghat, and after that he will be going all the way to the Kal Bhairav temple, a very holy temple in Varanasi. The Kal Bhairav temple's blessings the Prime Minister will be seeking. Before then, he goes to file his nomination at the collectorate about 11:30 a.m. And following that, he will be doing a workers meeting, a party workers meeting at the Rudraksh International Convention Center. One must remember that the Prime Minister, this is the only campaign event that Prime Minister does in Varanasi. He did a road show yesterday. He will do a workers meeting today, and then Prime Minister does not return to Varanasi. People of Varanasi say the PM does not need to return to campaign because people fight the election for Mr. Modi. He's so popular here, seeking a third mandate. And even today, you can see behind me a huge crowd of people who are waiting here in the morning to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister. People are still not satisfied after waiting multiple hours yesterday while waiting for the Prime Minister in the road show. तो आज सुबह भी मोदी जी के लिए पूरा लाइन लगा है, लोग देखने के लिए खड़े हैं सुबह भी आज.
हाँ भैया, सुबह 5-6 बजे से लोग खड़े हुए हैं.
तो सुबह कल रोड शो में देखा आपने, आप भी लोग, तो काशी में क्या प्यार है मोदी जी के लिए इतना कि लोग घंटों वेट करते हैं देखने के लिए.
हमारे यहाँ के हैं तो सांसद हैं, तो हम लोग को तो प्यार होगा ही होगा. और जब से आए हैं बनारस का तो एकदम कायाकल्प कर दिए हैं, तो इसलिए ये तो अपने आप में बहुत महती बात है. हमारे लिए तो ये एक मतलब क्या बताएं, भगवान जैसे हैं.
और मोदी जी आज दशमेध घाट भी आएंगे, गंगा सप्तमी है, काल भैरव भी जाएंगे. तो पूरा तरह से एक जो हिंदू प्रथा में जो करना चाहिए नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने से पहले वो मोदी जी कर रहे हैं.
जी हाँ, ये तो वो शुरू से ही ये हमारे जो है हम लोग के समझिए धर्म के लिए एक क्या कह सकते हैं, ये नए शंकराचार्य कह सकते हैं आप इनको. जैसे वो सारा चीज़ करते थे एक तरीके से, हर चीज़ से आप चाहे योग देख लीजिए, चाहे कुछ भी कर लीजिए, किसी भी चीज़ में देखिए, चाहे वो इकोनॉमिक हो चाहे जो भी हो, धर्म से रिलेटेड हो, हर चीज़ में उनका एक अलग जो है स्थान है, एक अलग उनका जो है प्रेजेंटेशन है. ये अपने आप में एक महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ है और हम लोग को मोदी जी पे गर्व है. बनारस के वो हैं, ये हम लोग के गर्व हैं, हम उनके परिवार के हैं. ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी बात है.
You can see the emotions of the people here. People say that Mr. Modi is not just the Prime Minister, not just the MP. He's truly become the son of the soil of Kashi in the last 10 years. He's been here almost 50 times in the last 10 years. And that is what even today I'm seeing thousands of people here at the Dashwamedh Ghat waiting for the Prime Minister to arrive.
Okay, the sentiment on the ground is for everyone to see this morning. Siddhant, hasn't that been one thing that's been very clear when we talk about the Prime Minister's connection to Kashi? It is eternal in nature. And you know, the Karam Yogi in the Prime Minister could be seen devoutly sitting at the Kashi Vishwanath temple last evening. That's expected to happen in the Kal Bhairav temple before he files his nomination later this morning, which is about 11:30 a.m. What's the mood on the ground that you've been able to pick up?
Well, look, as far as Prime Minister's this visit to Varanasi is concerned, so he may be a word leader. Whenever he goes abroad, he may try to project himself as a word leader. But Kashi is one place where Prime Minister comes to Kashi, then he is a son of Kashi. And perhaps that is what is that is what we could sense from yesterday until today morning. You know, the kind of blessings that Prime Minister received yesterday during road show, 5 kilometers long road show in Kashi. Lakhs and lakhs of people participated in Prime Minister's road show. They were waiting for Prime Minister to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi on Rath. And today is a day 2 when Prime Minister is expected to start his day at around 7:55. This is what we have been told. He may go to Ravidas Park to do meditation. Post that, Dashwamedh Ghat, he'll go for pujan. Then he'll take a holy dip in river Ganga. He's also going to take cruise ride to Namo Ghat, and then he's going to come for the nomination at collector's office where I am reporting from. And after the nomination, he will straight go to Rudraksh Convention Center where he will meet the party Karyakarta. Now, we have been told that there's a list of more than 50,000 Karyakartas those who want to participate in the Sammelan. But the convention center is not that big to accommodate this number. So it's very challenging for Varanasi district unit to accommodate karyakartas for Prime Minister's event. So that this speaks about Prime Minister Modi's popularity. At the same time, as Aman rightly pointed out, that yesterday's roadshow and today's nomination is perhaps the public engagement that Prime Minister will hold in Varanasi. He is so popular that he doesn't need to go and campaign in Varanasi or take Nukkad Sabha. So it again talks about Prime Minister popularity. But talking about BJP, then the BJP Varanasi is targeting the lead margin of 8 lakh for Prime Minister Modi this time in Lok Sabha elections. Back to you.
So not just BJP Karyakartas, the Kashi Vasis also waiting eagerly once again on day 2 to catch that one glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Thanking the both of you. We'll keep coming back to you on this non-stop rolling coverage from